Let's start with the big question. How does AI actually create a detailed image from a simple text prompt? The secret ingredient is something you'd never expect, pure random noise. Think of old TV static. Every major image generation model today starts with this static and step-by-step refines it into a clear picture. But why start with noise? It comes down to three simple reasons. First, it's incredibly easy for computers to generate. Second, it introduces randomness. If you ask the AI for a picture of a teddy bear reading a book 100 times, starting with different random noise ensures you get 100 uniquely different images instead of the exact same bear every single time. And third, the math behind it just works perfectly. Think of it like a sculptor. A sculptor doesn't start with a finished statue, they start with a rough, unshaped block of stone. The AI acts just like Michelangelo, chipping away the meaningless noise to reveal the masterpiece hiding underneath. To train the AI to be this master sculptor, researchers use a clever two-part strategy. First is the forward process. Imagine taking a crystal clear photo from your camera roll and slowly adding a little bit of static to it, step by step until it is completely unrecognizable. It's basically ruining the image on purpose. But here's where the magic happens, the reverse process. The AI studies exactly how that noise was added, and it learns how to undo it. It looks at a completely noisy image and asks, what static do I need to subtract to get slightly closer to the original photo? It does this over and over, training itself until it can take a screen of pure static and magically carve out a perfect picture. The crazy part? The insanely complex math behind this training boils down to a surprisingly simple goal, just guessing the exact noise that was added and correcting it. There was just one massive problem with this early on. This step-by-step cleanup process required 1,000 tiny steps. If you wanted to generate just one image, you had to wait way too long. To fix this, researchers came up with a brilliant shortcut. Instead of taking 1,000 random tiny steps, they figured out a way to skip steps and make the cleanup path predictable. By removing the randomness during the generation phase, they could speed up the process by up to 50 times, without ruining the image quality. That is exactly how tools today can spit out gorgeous art in seconds instead of minutes.